Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I've done a clean with me video, so I decided that this video is going to be a clean with me. It's going to be a little bit of a deeper clean because unfortunately my family and I have come down with the flu, or had the flu, getting over the flu, kind of. We'll see if we get it again. But I wanted to disinfect the house, clean the kitchen, the bedrooms, the bathrooms, just try to kill everything possible that can hold the germs and get us sick again. So if you need some cleaning motivation or you just enjoy cleaning videos, then please keep watching. Thanks.
If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind. The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me.
for this video. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation. If you liked it, please give this a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you subscribed. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.